So hello everyone, this is Biker390 and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, it's been quite a while now that I uploaded my last video. I guess I uploaded my last video around 4 months back maybe. Yeah, the last video was the off-roading ride which I did on my Duke 390 with Roadrunner and Arid. So yeah, I had promised that I'll be regular on YouTube, that I'd at least upload two videos in a week, but that didn't happen, so sorry for that, people. So yes, this video is about an update, just a small update video. So why the videos were not coming? So basically, as I said previously in my video, that I stopped doing the weekend rides and stuff, and yeah, I wasn't riding my bike much, and no long rides, no weekend rides, just normal night rides and stuff. So yeah, there were no videos. So finally I have planned a long ride after a year. Yeah, as you all know, my buddy, best buddy Roadrunner 16 got himself a new bike. Yes, his dream bike, the Tiger. So we decided, chalo long ride to banti hai abhi. And our full proper long ride was back in January 2018 when we went to Kutch, the Gujarat ride. As you all, I hope you all have seen the videos. If not, then you can just go on my channel and there will be 5 to 6 videos of the Gujarat series. So yes, where am I heading? So by the way, till the time you watch this video, I'll be already off to my destination. So this time I'm also heading to north, the same Gujarat highway, but beyond that, beyond Gujarat. So this time I'm heading towards Uttarakhand. So basically the plan is like this. So yeah guys, this is the big ride plan. As you can see, Biker390 and Roadrunners. So we'll be starting off from Mumbai, that is over here, and we'll head towards Udaipur, which is somewhere over here in Rajasthan, which is around 730 kilometers. So which will take around 13 hours, I guess. So yes, and I think we should cover it in 13 to 14 hours, depends on how many stops we take. And both are now on a good bike, so we can cope up easily with each other at around 120-130 kilometers per hour speed. So yeah, this is the day one. So day two, day one, just Udaipur. We'll just stay over there. There's nothing too much to roam about in Udaipur. So the next day we are heading towards Delhi, which is somewhere over here, and it's around 660 kilometers, I guess. And this is our day 2. So Udaipur to Delhi, 600 kilometers, 650 odd kilometers, and it will take more, same like 13 to 14 hours. Depends on the roads and us, how do we feel on that day. So that is our day 2. And day 3 will be a rest day. We will chill out in Delhi. We plan to explore Delhi with our friend Delhi Biker Boy. I met him last year during IBW. So yeah, he's become a good friend of mine, and also Roadrunner. So yeah, day 3 is to roam in Delhi. Then after Delhi, day 4 will be from Delhi to Nainital, which is not much, only around 280 odd kilometers. 280 odd kilometers in the mountains road, ghats and all, which will take around 6 hours, I guess, 6 to 7 hours. So yeah, that's the plan. And yeah, we'll be in Nainital for 2 days. We'll see how the weather is. The weather will be just amazing. It will be around -1 to 2 degrees, let's see. And we'll roam in Nainital, visit few places there. I've been there already on my college trip, so I'm very much excited to go there on bike. And then the return journey is a mystery, because there are 2 ways. Either we can take the same route, or we can come via Agra, like Nainital to Agra, and then we can take the Nasik highway and all. But still we have not planned anything. So right now the plan is on only till Nainital. So while return journey, we'll see how the time permits and how are the roads and stuff. And yeah, so far the ride is still here. And so this is the exact Mumbai to Udaipur, 730 kilometers, Udaipur to Delhi, 660 kilometers, and then Delhi to Nainital, 280 kilometers. So it's going to be one hell of a ride. So yeah, back to the bike. So yes, as you all saw in the map, so this is the plan, and it's around 8 to 9 days plan, and it's not decided completely which route we'll take while coming back. So stay tuned. Do follow me on my Instagram, and there I'll be posting lots of stories, and also follow Roadrunner 16. He too posts some good content over there, and so that you won't miss anything from us, both of us. And also these are my new winter gloves because I was just testing them today. Because we will be riding in extreme cold. The temperature in north is like very less, and this year the cold was extreme, so I'm very much prepared for it. I went to Udaipur last month, and it was freezing cold, like almost 6 degrees in the night. And yes, so I am prepared for it. In Uttarakhand it will be more colder, so it will be fun, and at the same time it's gonna be one hell of an adventure. And what else? अरे यार ब्लॉग के टाइम कुछ याद ही नहीं आता है, जब बनाने से पहले सब ये बोलूँगा वो बोलूँगा, बट कैमरा चालू सब गायब. Yeah, and also now as I am going on a long ride, so expect to you can expect around 8 to 9 videos in the coming 2 months, so stay tuned. And yes, I'll post them very quickly. As soon as I come from my ride, I'll just start off with my editing, so that you guys don't have to wait, because I've been getting lots of messages on Instagram, bhai, when is the new motovlog coming, when are the videos. So yeah, sorry for that guys. I'll be back on a regular basis, planning to do more rides, and also preparing for one more ride later. Let's see, in the month of March or something. But this plan is on, so yes, stay tuned. And yes, that's it from my side. Thank you for watching. Do like the video and subscribe if you haven't, and tell your friends also. I know I've been too greedy, but yes, you can ask your friends to subscribe if you like my videos. And yes, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.